Good morning. I am late today. It is 9:30. The market just opened. I am late and I just had my first sip of tea. You know, the day is crazy when I haven't had a sip of tea and it's 9:30. Let me get on the Tiki Talk for these other people. Let me turn down the volume on this. I got Santa off to the right, YM.
Order canceled.
Gold. Renee. Oil long. Alright, let me go live here. Live. Notice that if I angle my camera down on my phone, that it has a much clearer view, at least to me. I don't know if that really affects you guys or not. Sometimes it looks pixelated, which is annoying. I don't know if I'm too close, too far. Oh, it is what it is. I don't know. Good morning, good morning. The market just opened. I'm trying for this picture to not look so pixelated. Oh, my eyes are going crazy. All right, maybe like this. There we go. Okay. My phone figured it out and was able to fix it. We're bouncing off the LIS here, moving up. We are in an oil long. Good morning, good morning. Oh, no, not at all. I don't even know who that is, but no, I'm sure you did not. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So we are in the chop zone. You can see this big gray box. We're in the middle of it. So I'm not taking any manual trades here because that's just silly. I forgot that I had this here. I should probably do that later. Well, maybe not because I've sand up there, so. Good morning, good morning. If you have any questions, if you're new here, let me know. I can explain what's going on. Good morning, Carter. Please give a thumbs up as you come in or tap that screen. Look how much better that looks now that my phone figured out how it should be. So we had a really good student call this morning. You know, I kind of say that every day because I think we are really sharing some great knowledge between the students and the call. I was going to say we're sharing, but really it's just me sharing most of the time. But yeah. Oh, hello, Mark. Did you have a nice long weekend? I have a student session today at 1. No. What was I about to say? Oh, right. So we had a good call from 8:45 to 9:15. I have a private student call and it went well. So we talked about our setups for today. We mostly break down the NASDAQ, but we also look at gold and oil, sometimes ES as well. I'm not sure why people click that box. If they have like a fat finger, they think it's a good idea or what, I'm not really sure. Yeah, because you still haven't joined yet, Mark, and it's literally April. It's April of 2023. Like, I don't know if I've seen someone so busy their whole life. All right, so we bounced off the LIS. See this? This is given to you in the student channel every day by 6 a.m. This gray box is given to you in the student channel every day by 6 or 7 a.m. We are in the middle of it, so we are not manually trading here. But if we get a trade on the algorithm, I will show you. I'm still in an oil long. And we'll see if we start turning around here. Kev, I think I was like so excited. So excited. When I saw you in the group last week, I was like, what? I was pumped. For sure. You know, I had somebody email me yesterday and be like, I've been watching you for 5 months. Like, who does that? Like, y'all really are really tight on the pocket. I feel like if I see something, and it doesn't matter, like, I don't even need that much information. If I see something that I think looks exciting or possibly up my alley, maybe I'll give it a watch for like a week, and then I'm like, let me jump in, feet first. I don't know. That's just my personality, because I don't know. I like taking a chance on things. What are we in? Are we in Santa? What? Oh, Santa's in a short. Let's look at that. No, actually, that's not Santa. That's the NQ pink. Well, what the hell is this? I need to figure out what the hell's going on. I'm like, oh, do I have that actually turned on? Oh my gosh, you guys, I have too many things going on here. The pink setup had a trade for a loss for $100. Yeah, I'm on YouTube. Can you not find me? I posted it in the group, Mark. Mark? I never know with the MC. I posted it in the group. So we're in the middle of the chop zone, not looking to do anything here. No, 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 no. I want to swap this.
Order filled.
But it should have actually been done like a while ago. And now... See, so we're in the chop zone. It's going to look like this, where it's really quite ugly. I have a level here at 134. See if we move back down. My students already know the plan for today. Also, if you're not able to join the student call in the morning, I am now posting a little synopsis of what I talked about in the group. Like in the actual student channel, I'm now posting it after the call, like a picture and a synopsis of like what we talked about and kind of what I'm looking for the day. So are we finally going to get this short here? We will see. We're still hanging out between the LIS and the chop zone, so no rush. Also, today is, I feel like I need to say it again, that today is FOMC minutes at 2 p.m. Posting it again, not tomorrow. Today. Do you use one broker chart or one of the bots? Yes, I use NinjaTrader. That is correct. Where's David? I need to message him. David M. All right. We are in a $400 long of pink. I can show you guys that. Since I don't really show pink much anymore because it only trades about once or twice per day. But it's in this long. Oil's also in a long, but it's red. $400. Oil was 1-for-1 overnight for $300. If we go back to this chart in our group, we had a discussion of where we think the price will go in the chop zone before it leaves. So we will see if that happens. And then obviously I can use that later as proof to show that I already know I know what I'm talking about, but it will just be even more proof that I know what I'm talking about. But that's not why I'm typing it out. I typed it out only because I know some people can't join the morning call for the students, and I feel bad. Is that empathy or sympathy? Will it just be sympathy? I feel like I'm... David, did you hear what I just said a minute ago? So it's 1-for-1 overnight. You could also look in the chat, David H, in the chat where everyone's discussing the oil trade. It's much easier to do in there than on YouTube. I will tag you in the chat. Oil is 1-for-1 overnight for $300, and then it's in a long right now, which is red $300. All right, so we're in this long of pink is green $575. Oil's coming back to life. Yes. Yep. So I'm assuming you just got that. Cool. Please give a thumbs up as you come in or tap that screen. So you trade the short low. Yeah, that's one of the things that we do in the student channel, correct? High stakes, that is correct. But we already talked about what we're looking for today. I'm not really looking for this exit, but we talked about that in the student call. And it's posted in the student channel. 650 on this long. So obviously you could take this stop loss and move it up whenever you want. It's a hard stop. This is a trailing stop right here, this thin line.
Order submitted.
Oh, Santa's in a short. If Santa starts going green and then this, then I will, but Santa had a loss, so. Alex, that is the offset. No, Derek. Okay. Still in this long of pink. Now I'm going to have to copy and paste that picture again. My life is filled with copying and pasting. And answering the same question over and over. I should really just build a robot to answer all of my questions for me. Or I should just record myself answering questions and then somehow copy and paste that recording into a I will have to remind everyone to change the auto close tonight, but that's fine. That's not going to be a hard thing to do. All right, this long is green 775. You can see that my stop loss just moved itself up. Break even offset. If you want more information, just email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. I have a directory. I have an FAQ. I have common questions. People don't like to read. They simply do not enjoy reading. Nice, Kyle. So, I have to just repeat myself every single day. Kevin added a picture. Oh, I love it. If you do that, you have to have the sound of the keyboard clicking. It's true. Like, I have to be answering questions while typing at the same time. What's reading exactly? It's confusing, right? It's like, I don't want to do that. That doesn't sound fun. $8.30 here on this long. Click, 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 click. No, David. No ADD. We are not letting our ADD or our ADHD get us today. Knock that bad boy out of the way. Oh, what should I copy and paste today for the It's funny because I haven't posted this one in a while, and it's still so true about range and scalper. It's like 25 and under, just range is the best, and range has been killing it this year. Obviously, this is scalper, but range has been killing it. All right, I might get off TikTok. There's literally nothing there. That would save me a lot of energy, huh? Ooh. Did I just pull something off of my... What the hell? Oh, it's like a sticky piece on the side. I got off TikTok because it's like a waste of my time. Well, at least today. There was like 30 people. But the sticky piece of my phone holder, like this thing that holds my phone up, came off. And I had no idea what it was. And now, if I'm not on the live, I could just take videos of the trades with my cell phone. It's so much better. Alright, I need to silence this because that's going to be annoying. Alright, so this is this and oil. Oil is now red, $600. Oh, Kyle, are you streaming the algorithm? I will follow you in a second, and I will tell all my people to follow you. This is why I said this yesterday. You will have to disconnect and reconnect or your auto close won't work. Or if if you're just around, Amber, I think you're just around every day. You could literally just turn it off. I need to pick a... Cue angry typing, exactly. Like y'all. Y'all make me crazy. The first time I say something is not the time that people listen or read it. It's probably on like the 10th time that I say something. I talked about the auto close twice yesterday, and that was like 5 p.m. before everyone got set up. It was the first thing I put on this Wednesday thread. The first thing. Let me scroll back and tell you what time it was. It was actually like 4 p.m. because I was at my computer and I was like, oh, let me just do it early. 17 hours ago, I posted it. 4:41 p.m. That's all. Got another bingo. She did it. Pink's gonna take profit here. We will see, or maybe it's gonna run back up. Where did it go? 12,175. Let's look at the higher time frame. Oh, it didn't go much higher. I thought we were gonna get a bigger move than that. We still could, I guess. We will see. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. This guy is like acting like a dad and he was like, where's the search bar? I feel like that quite often. Oil is still in this long. It's red, but it's still in the long. And we're still in this long of NQ, which is green, $550. Clipboard Manager is a saver. Activated on Windows PC by clicking Windows button and letter V. Clipboard Manager is activated on Windows PC by clicking Windows button and the at the same time, and the letter V. V. What? At the same time? Windows and V. Ready? 1, 2, 3. What the? No. It's like, I think you're trying to, Captain Dead, I think you're trying to hack into my computer. Not today. It's not happening. If I just do, oh, I know what you mean. Like the Windows key on my keyboard. Got it. You get to record the last two. Copied and pasted. Oh! Can't show history because I haven't used it before. Turn on. See all your copied items in one place. Oh, that's so cool. Oh my gosh! It's showing me the last thing that I did. Why can't I move this box though? It's literally in the way. Because is that where... Oh, that's so cool. Sorry, I was clicking the actual Windows icon like on the PC. Is it just where my mouse is? Does it just put itself wherever it wants? Because now it's in the bottom right-hand corner. Tip, select an item on your clipboard history to paste it. How fun. Thanks for that. But knowing me, you know, it's going to be like 75 million things on there. We actually don't get as many of those bingo questions as we used to. Like when we would have like 300 people. Oh, Santa's in a short. So we're still in this long of pink, but Santa's in a profitable short, so we could also look at this. Gold is green on the day. Oil is still in this long. It's red $300, so maybe it's going to move up here. I actually don't mind you guys joking around. Like, I find that funny. I actually find that... Oh, I can move it? Okay, I'll have to play with that later. I actually find that funny. I don't find real serious questions that I've covered a million times funny. That's it. Listen, we can joke and have fun all day, but if people aren't getting the real message, that's where the problem is. All right, $400 on this short. Where are we on the higher time frames? We're still in the chop zone, guys. This is that 134 level that was holding pretty strong before. We'll see if we can stay under it. Womp, 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 womp. It's Wednesday. It's 10 o'clock. Oh, I need to look at this email. No. Actually, it's really nice. Is that in that neighborhood? Still in this short on Santa. I am a drill sergeant. Somebody said I would be good as a headmistress, and I didn't understand. I had no idea what he was saying. But this man is British, and therefore, it wasn't the mistress I was thinking about. And so I guess it's just a strict principle in the UK. But yeah. Oil is only red $200 now on this long. We are green $500 on this short. Yes, you guys, if the rollover doesn't happen for gold or oil, you have to do it yourself. Nice job. Well, now it's red 400. So Kyle, you did nothing. Green $400 on this Santa short. The NQ pink locked up. That was a break-even trade, even though it was red like $800. So, you know, we talk about that in the group where you can step in on something like that. Only with certain circumstances. Like, this is so nice. Oh, that's so cute. That's literally going to be gone another day. Sorry, I'm sending a message. Bess, I'm not on, well, I was on TikTok and then I got off because it was boring. All right, Santa is a green $600 on this short. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. This is Scalper that you're watching right now. Bold Range is the one that most of us are running live currently because it has been doing really, really well the past 13, 14 months. Really, now we can say 14 months because February is pretty much done. It wouldn't even work, Amber, so I know that's a joke. It wouldn't even work. It would just be black. The entire chart would just be black. Oh no. Today's Happy National Margarita Day? What? I'm not a drinker, but margaritas, if there's anything that I would like to take a sip of, it would be a margarita. I don't know why people hate tequila so much. No, bourbon, that's gross. My voice is not ASMR at all. I really want you to be clear that that's a joke. Green $700 and $800 on this short of Santa. $850. $870. $880. $900. See, and this allows me to get some good content because now I'm not using my phone for the TikTok live stream. But the TikTok live stream is good. It just was boring today. $9.55 on this short. Oil took the loss. Oil took the loss. So oil was one for two today. So it's red $400 on the day. Not a big deal. Last week, oil was green $5.30. So we're kind of even right now on the last 2 weeks. Obviously, Monday was a holiday, so we didn't trade on Monday. If you guys have questions, let me know. I haven't even looked. It happens. It happens. Losses do happen. Unpopular opinion. Losses are a thing in trading. If you're not comfortable with losses, then trading probably isn't for you. We are still in this short on Santa. But the great thing about the loss on oil is my students are able to capitalize on this short not using the scalper algorithm, but using the information that we discussed on the morning call. Because on the morning call, we went over all of this. And they would have already been in profit 20 points or so. I'm excited for you, Schmeckler. Gold is in a short as well. All right, so Santa took profit here. Nice move there. Green 735 on the day. I think it had like a few small losses prior. It's pretty common. Last week, FOMC... What is David doing? David, you don't have to just keep typing. There is no overnight. All right, let's look at where we are. Okay, we talked about this on the student call. No surprise there. No one loses. They're all doing the best. What? What? Is that English? Gold is in this short. I'm going to bring that to the forefront so you guys can see it. Green 200. Oh, Kyle, you're posting in the chat. Fat thumbs. Fat thumbs. Get out of here. I'm going to take a picture of this 1 second. What time is it? 10:08. Nice job. Is that 46 points? 46 ticks. Nice job, Brian. Oh, speaking of, I need to take a trade on that Apex account so I can get my funded account on Thursday because I have a few more days to do. What is a Buffalo Trace? What? What are you guys talking about? Is that a drink? Yeah, but then you're going to miss like the whole move. Nice. QG is green $275 in a long right now, you guys. Who's running QG? I know some of you are. Look at this drop. Jesus. My students better be in this short. I swear to God. I swear to God. I need to stand up for this. I'm putting my desk up. Y'all, if you are not in this short and you are a student of mine, you are too busy chatting in the chat room. This is not AOL. Get your money. Also, two other things I'm testing are... Ooh, it had 2 trades today. Are 100% on the day. Oil and YM. Now I gotta do a timeout Jiffy. What the hell are those called? GIFs? GIF? Why is there a H and a Y? Thank you, Brian. Brian posted a screenshot of his trade. This is exactly what we wanted. Also, gold is green $360 on the short. You guys, we are seeing a pattern, and I guess I could have mentioned this last night, but I didn't know how true it was, that scalpers, regardless, really show to do well on the what? Ryan said, whoa, what a call, Lauren. Yeah. All you guys have to do is listen. All you got to do is listen, y'all. You have to. We literally talked about this. Wait. And you can't hesitate. When I have people that hesitate taking the trade, that is when they then end up chasing the trade and don't do well. Don't do that. Don't do that. Nice job, Derek. Nice job. I feel like when I yell, my words come across better. Some people don't do well with my yelling, but most of the people that are still around, which are 240 of you, do just fine with my yelling. And then see, Zhoo, 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 zhoo. Yes, press the button. Yeah, that seems quite egregious, Brian. And was that the high of the day? Oh, but I see what you're saying, Brian. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, Amber. Exactly. We're still in this gold short for $300. All right, so let's talk about who caught the short. Brian caught the short. Ryan, I'm assuming, caught the short. Cash caught the short. Derek caught the short. Kyle caught the short. Alex, did you catch the short? James, did you catch the short? David H., did you catch the short? Listen, I want a full report. All the short catchers. I'm not sure why this part is always a question. Or you could put a limit order there, really, because if that's what you're going to do anyway. All right, gold took profit. Gold is green $200 on the day, which, you know, isn't great, but again, hands-free. Also, some of our testings are all 100% today. Yelling, part of life. Is it bad that I'm just one day post-surgery laying in the hospital bed trading? No, that's exactly what you should be doing. Weirdly enough, I've thought about that before. Like, God forbid, knock on wood, God forbid something happens and, you know, like, I would literally have my laptop up. I would probably be hooking up to the screen of the TV in the hospital room. Like, yep, I gotta get this. Good job, Brian. I was just saying that. Or set a limit order. Too often people hesitate and then they don't get the trade and then they're mad they don't get the trade. So then they get in late and then you get stopped out of the trade and then you have FOMO or revenge trading because you're mad that you got stopped out. So then you get in again and then you get stopped out again. Y'all, there's 72 people on this live. Can some of you give a few more thumbs ups? Because there's only 30 of you that said you like me and I'm about to cry. Yes, that's something I'm testing. So, Santa's green, 455 on the day. I guess it had another loss. So right now, I love it. I love it. Fire, fire. Just be aware. Bum, 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 bum. Timeout is facing the wall. One leg up. Is that a thing? Do people put their leg up when they're in timeout? What? Hi, Kevin. Oh, thank you for the likes, y'all. Look, 12 more of you were able to hit that thumbs up button so then I don't cry. I appreciate that. It's 10:20. I have a student session later. I'm trying to get out of the house a little more, so I might go get a tea elsewhere after this. Again, and I had somebody message me yesterday, if you have a hard time watching the algorithm and it bothers you, like you want to take profit early or you want to stop it before you should, like, before the algo would be stopped, please just go somewhere else. Close the VPS. Go do some other work. Go take a walk. Yesterday, Whitney was playing basketball. Go play basketball. Do whatever you need to do, because if this system is 84% to 95.5% profitable, I think it knows a little more than you. Not saying it's smarter than you. I'm just saying it knows what it's doing. Everything's already there. If you should already know your, max loss. And if you're okay with that, then you just need to walk away and let it do its thing. If you're not okay with that, then that means you're sizing too large and you need to size down. Hey, Steven, sounds good. Yay! But the bars, they speak to me, I must watch. They're hypnotizing you. What's going on here? We're not really in anything. All right, I might wrap it up here. 10, R2, where's R2I? All right, so we have a little bit of time until range starts taking some more trades. Oh, well, pink is Santa. Santa's in a long. We can watch this, and then I'm okay with that. I wanted to set it and forget it. Yeah, that is the entire point of the algorithm. That's the only reason why I developed it, is because my members came to me and said, Lauren, I have to go back to work. I have to go back out in the field. I cannot manually trade. COVID is over, or whatever, they thought it was in 2020. So that's why I looked into this, and that's how this came about. It's supposed to be, like, I understand a lot of people work at their desks, so they're probably going to glance at it or watch it or whatever. But if you have to be honest with yourself. If it is affecting you, if it's affecting your mental health, like, the result is going to be the result regardless. If it goes red $500 and that's affecting your mental health and you're now stressing out and your blood pressure's getting high, but then an hour later it goes to Target and you made $400, okay, well then that's not good. Like, that's not helpful for you and your body. So you need to recognize that and be honest with yourself, and then just either turn it off, take a walk, do something. Terrence. Attention pays. I like that, Amber. Attention pays. No. What a surprise. I'm going to be pasting the same thing I pasted yesterday twice again right now for the second time today. I swear to God. Can you tell I'm angry typing? Oh, we're green $505 on this long. Yeah, Vernon, all you have to do is come use the algorithm. We were 100% last week. We were 100% yesterday. Today we had a loss on oil. We still have the whole day ahead of us. So come use the algorithm or take the mentorship. I'll teach you everything I know. Exactly. Thank you, Florin. Florin is literally brand new, and he's like, come on, guys, you literally have to enter in the times in the strategy when you join, which is so true. How do you not know what times the strategies start when you physically have to type them in yourself? Yesterday was his first day, and he already knows what time NQ trades. But someone that was in my group before and came back and has been in the group now for like 2 weeks still doesn't know. Pepe said instead of charging a monthly fee to use the algo, you should charge fees for answering the same question over and over. He said you would make way more money. Algo for the win, for sure, Captain. I have no idea. I've never heard of a one leg up either, Amber. I have no... It just sounds weird. We have less than a week left of February. The last day of February is next Tuesday. So hopefully we'll get a nice push up next Tuesday. We'll see. We will see. Like, I don't want to promote enabling of adults. Everyone in this group is an adult. You at least have to be 18 or over to trade. So why is it so hard to, like, read an announcement or just, you know, just get a general overview and understanding of what's happening with the algorithm? And, like, literally somebody yesterday said, how does this even work? And if you go to the settings spreadsheet, I have a box that says exactly how each algorithm works. And it's like how bold range works, how scalper works. Like, it's literally spelled out exactly how it works. So why are people not looking, and instead they just want someone to tell them or do it for them? And I'm not that person. Oh my god, that's so funny, Kevin. Kevin said my new license plate should be Control C and V. Copy and paste. Oh my gosh, I love it. Instead of, because I was always thinking I'd get a license plate that says like NASDAQ or like NQ to be like real corny. So now Santa's back up to 865 on the day. But maybe copy and paste is more accurate. All right, it's 10:29. I'm going to get off of here. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. I'll respond right away with an informational email. And if you have any other questions, you can also just email me and ask those as well. All right, y'all. Have a good day. We'll be back tomorrow. Tomorrow is a Thursday. Be safe. Have a good hump day. Bye.